So, hi Gourang, how have you been? And let us know, let the audience know about yourself a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, hi all everyone. So, how are you all doing? My name is Gourang, and I have started my career 2 years back. As part of college placement, I have been placed in a company, and I work there as a QA. So, wherein as an automation engineer, and I have been there and working good now.
Oh, that's great. So, I just have one question, Gourang. How did you come to know about Get SDE Ready? Like, what was the first step you took, and what was the first thought you have had at that point of time when you knew about Get SDE Ready?
Yeah, so Get SDE Ready. So like it was like I got it through in Insta. I got a reel. So wherein I was wondered like how at this low price how could they offer that such content. So I called Arun. So he said that yes, this is true. This is not a scam. So he guided me through the website and he said this all you will be completing. This is your homework. This is your classwork. So that's why I thought let's take a guess like whether will I be able to learn or not. Then I joined this session. I felt it was like really good, and then I have continued with Get SDE Ready.
Okay, so how was your experience once you started? I think this is the very first thought which people have in mind that, if they are saying that they are giving this much, but the price is so low, I think it creates a picture of something like scam, right?
Yes, that was my first thought, as you mentioned. But like coming, as I have said, that I have took like a shot at whether I could be doing it or not, and I have taken it. And I really like these sessions because the first thought, like I was thinking, like how would the sessions go, but the program, the layout, it was like really good. One day we had a class, and the next day we had a homework session where we could ask our doubts. And one thing I really liked about the Discord session.
Hmm.
So Discord, so where everyone could post their individual doubts, and whoever is available at that time would respond to that particular person. So that
Oh,
one.
yeah, I think that's great. So, basically, I also want to ask you that once you started the journey till now, what has been your experience? And if I ask you for the course review, how did you like the course and the teaching methods? So, what will you say about that?
Yeah, really, I really appreciate the efforts of the my mentor Kartikeya. I do really appreciate him, the way he took the class and the way he in between he used to answer each and every one person question, and if at all that question was something beyond the session, he would ask just like stay back, I will solve the questions. He was really great. And I fewer times what would happen is in the live sessions when you're going 1 hour long, you may miss out few things and you may think, hey, I have missed this. And he would not like he would not say like, okay, you have missed. No, not that way. He would answer you and he would say that, okay, let's not repeat it this the other time. So
Okay.
he was a really great mentor. I would request you to convey my wishes to him, like
Ah, that's
for
great.
him.
Yeah, definitely. Your wishes will be conveyed to Kartikeya and everyone knowing him. And Gaurang, one more thing which makes me curious is that uh, in this journey of learning the tech part, how did you feel? How did Get SD Ready made it easy for you? And if I ask you for just three words for Get SD Ready, like what you felt about, can you tell me in a very short three words?
It was really good. That's it. If you would ask me to elaborate it, like when I thought like the algorithms are very hard. Then I came to know that I am lacking some knowledge from my end. Then I used to daily pick up my sessions and daily used to learn and follow up the sessions that I would also know where I am lagging, and I would also pick up with the next sessions.
And how much do you feel the consistency is required while having this course? Because there are a lot of students who take the course but don't complete it, and or
Yes.
maybe not go through the course materials on a daily basis, or not even on a regular basis. I would say daily basis would be tough because most of them are working professionals. So on a regular basis, how much do you feel the consistency is required?
Yes, for the students, I would suggest that they should, as their students, so they should compulsory and for sure give their 6 hours, with including the sessions, 2 hours of sessions that they attend. Apart from that, 4 hours of their personal hours in order to practice on a daily basis. And for the working professionals, as they're into the tech already, so they are while once and while they are going through that scenarios. So for them, it would be 4 hours. So 2 hours for the practice.
Okay, that's really great. I think it was really amazing talking to you, Gaurang.